Yeah, so I totally don't do that many videos from down here, but I'm bored and it's raining and I'm tired and sleepy. I was so tired, I can't even, blah. I'm still sick. It sucks. So, man. Oh, it stopped raining. Ah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that totally looks like Dr. Murray's truck. If only it was Dr. Murray. Okay. It's so rainy. Okay, look at what I had to do. I had to put the umbrella and everything away. And it's like, oh wow, yeah, Danielle, that looks so awesome. Because, yeah, I did that all before it started pouring. And, oh, I have the biggest headache right now. I'm probably going to go raid the first aid kit thing. And just pop some aspirin or something. I don't know. Yeah.